In front of me is HONOR Magic6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then you can click on this gear at the top right corner. Adjust all of those options however you want to, and scroll down. To add anything to your clipboard, tap on Add a new clip, type in wherever you want to and hit Save. To pin it, use this pin at the top right corner of it. You can unpin it by tapping on the same now blue one. To delete anything from your clipboard, just swipe it to the right. You can also do exactly the same by clicking on Clipboard on your keyboard and using the same options. To add anything to your clipboard, just copy or cut any text. Last but definitely not least, to paste it, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!